Hi everyone, in this video we will create a 3D model from a simple sketch. All you have to do is click on create and then let's create a sketch. We will select XY plane and let's create a cube. Let's create a rectangle. So let's say 50 by 100. Hit enter, and just so you know, you can switch from one dimension to other by clicking on the tab button, and now hit enter. So this is our first sketch. Now we want to extrude it. You make sure you have selected your plane, your sketch, and then click on create, click on extrude. Another way to do is you can also select extrude from here, or there's a shortcut key E. Just hit E and then let's make it height 10 mm. Click OK. Make sure operation is new body. Click OK. So there you go. That's our first 3D model. Like and follow for more.